Hello! Thank you very much for watching my new video about collocations with do and make. I know these words can be confusing. If you want to know more, keep on watching. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel if you don't want to miss any of the upcoming videos. We are about to start. I'm ready. How about you? Do or make? That is the question. These two words, which frequently confuse students, can be very tricky, but I will show you the differences with example sentences to help you. Do is used when talking about work, jobs and tasks. This is a mess. We should do the housework. Do is used when we refer to activities in general without being specific. I've got things to do. We sometimes use do to replace a verb when the meaning is very obvious or clear. I need to do my hair. I've done the dishes. In the first example, do means to brush, and in the second, to wash. As you can see from the context with these examples, the meaning is clear. Apart from the examples mentioned, which are the most common collocations with do, here you have more examples and how to use them. I am going to do the shopping this afternoon. Could you do me a favor and buy some milk? My team did it very well in the baseball tournament. She was in the kitchen doing the washing up. Make. It is used to indicate the origin of a product. It is made of gold. We also use make for producing an action or reaction. You make me happy. It is used before certain nouns about plans and decisions. She is making plans for the weekend. We use it with nouns about speaking and certain sounds. Yesterday my neighbors made a lot of noise. We use make with food, drinks and meals. Dad made a cup of tea. Here are some more collocations with make and how to use them. Let's have a look. I'm making an effort to recycle as much waste as possible. She has had to make some very difficult decisions. Simon finds it hard to make friends. I always make a mess when I'm baking. Let's recap. We are going to analyze a very short dialogue. Let's make plans for Anna's birthday.
I'm busy now. Can we do it later?
See that the collocation of plans is make, as it is referring to plans and decisions. The answer is do. As we saw at the very beginning of the video, the action, make some plans, is obvious. In this vocabulary activity, you can learn and practice common collocations with do and make. For further practice, you can click on the link below. I remember when I was a child that I struggled with collocations such as make my bed or do someone a favor. I've always made mistakes. Notice another collocation with make. How about you? Do you ever make mistakes with do or make? Tell us in the comments below. I hope these ideas help. If they do, please do not forget to subscribe to the channel. We are posting new videos every week. Bye!